Hello everyone. Welcome to the our channel. Do code with me. So today we are going to see some string method which will be useful for the string modification or string manipulations. Okay. So in Python there are several string methods available. Predefined built-in string methods are there. Okay. So we are going to see one by one. Okay. So for that we are going to create one variable that is name, and name equal to assign some value John. Okay, so this is the our string variable. Okay, we try to print it, we try to display it. So John get displayed. So now I have to apply some methods. So using that method I can manipulate the string variable. Okay, so this is our one of the variable. So now I want to, if I want to do the John in uppercase. Okay, so how could I do it? Or let's consider the city name. City name equal to Pune. Okay, so here we are going to do the city name. So we have changed some variable name and we change the value also variable, and we try to print it. So now we got the value of Pune. So okay, if I want to do the uppercase, okay, I want to return the string into the uppercase. Okay, so in that situation we just mark code here uppercase. Okay, in uppercase case we just going to print it, print city name dot, okay, upper. So all letters or all alphabet going to display into the uppercase. Okay, so that's the way we're going to do uppercase. How to convert from oh, a string from uppercase into uppercase? This is the way we're going to just variable dot method name. Okay, so now we same thing for the lowercase. Okay, so lowercase also same thing, because it already has predefined function. So we did not do anything special, we just call the function. Okay, and we just run our code. Okay, so just city name dot lowercase. Okay, it's get converted here. So original P is a uppercase, and here is P is the output. After modified we get the everything is lowercase. Next thing is, if I give some white spaces. Okay, so white spaces means uh, before and after spaces of this text. Let's consider this is here, I'm giving the white space here, and here also I'm giving a white space, and I will just run it. Okay, it will show our value. Okay, but it does not show the white spaces are there. But this, in this situation there is no as such impact on our string. Okay, but if I want to remove this space before text and after text, or before string and after string, so we're going to use the strip keyword. Okay, so using strip keyword we can remove the white spaces beginning or end from both sides. So here we're going to remove this white spaces. Okay, so if you observe here, it will indicate that these are the white spaces. Okay, these are the white spaces. For testing purpose we're going to show you. Okay, if you select, it's get select the only Pune width, but if I use space here it will highlight the space also. Let's, you can observe here, if you select it, means after E there is a something space, before P there is a something as a space. So if you highlight it, it get the space also get highlighted here. So there is means there is something space. So I want to remove the space, and I want to just I want to remove the before and after space of the string. So for that we're going to same thing, print city name dot strip method. Okay, so using strip you can remove the spaces. Okay, you can remove it. let's highlight it. Okay, it's get removed because here we go, if you see here we select, it will show the remove spaces, sorry, white spaces, and here we got remove the white spaces. Okay, so I will just add here one thing. Before string and string space. Okay, so using this strip method you can remove the before and after spaces. Okay, next thing is the replace. Okay, so we're going to replace the keyword. Okay, so I want to this replace is nothing but we're going to exchange, not exchange, we're going to if change the keyword completely. So for that I will just say it, we replace the thing of existing. So let's consider I want to, this is my variable name and I want to replace the value of my variable. Okay, so let's consider instead of Pune, instead of P, I want to replace as a M. Okay, so you can replace anything and just print it. Okay, so instead of P we have replaced the M. So in this way you can replace the single word, or either you can replace the complete word also. Let's consider we will going to this one. You can replace the complete words also. So you can replace single characters from the given string, or you can replace the complete string as well. Okay, so in that we're going to use the string, replace string. Okay, next thing is a split string. Okay, so split string is nothing but the method that returns the list where text has a specific separator. Okay, so let's consider if I create some variable, okay, string, and obviously there are some comma separator or specific separators are available there, like comma separator, type separator. So based on that we're going to split the string. Okay, so first we're going to create the string here. So split strings. Okay, here now string. Okay, so here I will say Pune is a best city. Okay, I will give the comma. Okay, so I want to best city in world. Okay, so that is one. Pune is a best city in world. Okay, and I will create another statement and 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 also IT IT hub IT hub also. Okay, so Pune is the best city in the world, and IT hub also. Okay, that is my string. So here we use the comma separator. Okay, so I want to just split the string. Okay, I want to split the string. This is one of the lengthy string. Okay, so first statement is Pune is the best city in the world. That is first statement, and after that we have IT hub also. Okay, so we have two different statement here. So we have two different steps. So I want to separate both. I want to split it into split those statements. So how could I do it? Either I have used the comma separator. So this is the comma separator is also, or either you can use the tab. Okay, you can use the tab also. you can use the tab also. Okay, you can use the space also. Based on space you can also split it, but now we're going to use the split by using comma separator. So just take it, print split dot split string dot split in bracket. We need to provide the separator, so this is our separators, comma separator, and print it. So it will create the list and it will give a two different statement. First is this one and second is this one. Okay, so this is the way we are going to run it. This is a we are going to create the different statement. We are going to split the string based on separators. Okay, so let's do more thing like string concatenations. So we also do the string concatenation here also. So I will just add mark here, string concatenate. Okay, so if I want to join two string, let's consider a is equal to hello, b is equal to hello world. Okay, c is equal to a plus. Okay, so I'll just give a space between them and plus b, and just print the c plus b plus c. So we can concatenate two different using plus operator. Either we can remove it and we also do the same thing. Okay, so we concatenate two different words or two different string using plus symbol. This is the one of the way you can do the concatenations. Okay, if you want you can add the string. Okay, so string formatting is one of the most factor in programming while displaying the message or something like that. Okay, so string format is one of the very important factor. Let's consider we will go into the string formatting. Okay, so I will show one example. String formatting. Let's consider age. Okay. Age is equal to 28. Name is equal to Rob. Okay, so I want to format the things. Okay, I want to do the formatting. So basically if you want to do the formatting, okay, so I want to display the message, so I will give msg. Here I am going to create in quote my name is, I will just give the curly bracket, so it curly bracket automatically fill first the name. Okay, so I'll just order it first name and after that age. Okay, and my age is again open and close curly brackets. So automatically system will pick up the name and age here. Okay, by default. So I'm going to print it, print msg dot format. Okay, so format, in format we're going to pass the name, it is in first place, and age in second place, and just repeat. Okay, so my name is Rob and my age is 28. Okay, so this way we can do the formatting. Okay, you can formatting the your string also. That is the way to do the formatting. If you want to do indexing, okay, if if you want to do the indexing, you can do indexing also. The indexing is, let's consider, uh, let's consider an salary. Salary is in pound 15,000. Okay, so and salaries this much. Okay, now we have three variable one by one. Okay, if you want zero indexing, you can do the indexing like here. Name is a 0, age is 1, and salary is a 2. Okay, by defaultly. So just switch here salary. This is the way. So you can do the indexing also, or you can do the order also. So using both indexing and order, you can do the same thing, but make sure you can use either ordering. I think you should keep the order properly instead of indexing. So sometimes your variable get changed, that's why your indexing maybe get uh, uh, maybe your indexing get wrong. So basically that to avoid that wrong indexing, please use the order of the variable ordering. Okay, that is very important. So in this way you can do the string formatting. So there are different ways to do it. First, ordering, and second is indexing. So these are the two way we have used it. Okay, next case is the uh, escape character. Okay, the insert illegal string or any except characters. So for that, if I want to do insert something, uh, characters or any highlighted things, let's consider, escaping. Take one example. Okay, so let's consider I want to print like this. Okay, Pune is a best city in world. Okay, that was my step. So I want to do the double quote for the best word. Okay, so how could I do that? So for that, I will just say print, or I will say MSG is equal to Pune. Okay, is the, so I want to highlight the best keyword. So I will just do the escaping. Okay, backslash and type the best and in the world. Okay, print, try to print it. Sometimes we have to highlight some message or some keywords, so for that we have to use this escaping. This is the best way to do it. So there are several methods like single quote, backslash, new line, a return, tab, backspaces, uh, form field, octa value, hexa value. These are the values using we can escaping the characters. Okay, so there are other string methods also. Okay, so there are multiple string methods you can use it. So I just give some name like counter, capitalization, uppercase, case fold, lowercase, center, count, encoding, end with. Okay, expand, find, format, indexing, is null, is alpha. These are the string for string method, which will going to cover into the pandas also, because in pandas library there are more related to data manipulation. It is a data manipulation library. So in that panda library session we are going to cover each and everything. So I think it is a very basic session, and it is very enough to know about the string in how to handle the string into the Python. So that's it for the string session. We are going to In next lecture we are going to take the boolean related things. Okay, so thank you for today. Please do like, subscribe and commenting.